5 real Jesus caught on camera. Number 5. This video is recorded from the Spain. As you can see, they saw something in the jungle and they are searching for it. Once they found and they saw a man wear a white dress and look like real life Jesus. They also called them Jesus. But I do not believe this video. If he is real Jesus, he do not run away from see them. What do you think? Do you believe this video? Tell me in the comments. Number 4. In an unknown church in the USA, a girl was praying on front of the Jesus statues, and his mom is recorded. Here you can see the Jesus statue is blinking his eyes. Look the video again. I think this is real story that was happened. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Number 3. This video is recorded from New Jersey in the USA. An unknown person was record this video. When he saw the cloud is transforming in the Jesus face. Here you can saw a cloud that looks like the real life Jesus face. What do you think about this video? Tell me in the comments. Number 2. This video is got from California in the USA. This video is recorded by a car dash cam. An unknown person driving his car and he saw something like Jesus Christ walking on the side in this road. Look at the video again. What do you think about these clips? Tell me in the comments. Number 1. This video is also got from the USA. After the Christmas, here you can see something like Jesus' face saw in the window of this house. Look at the video again and tell me what do you think. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and peace out.